Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
In this video, we'll show you how to change the windscreen wipers on a Dacia Duster 2. You will find the bulk windscreen wipers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To remove the wiper blade, slide it towards the outside. To avoid any damage, put the arm delicately on the windscreen. Before you do this, place a paper towel to protect the glass. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto website and in the link in the description. Take the new blade and install the adapter which corresponds to your model. To put the new one in place, follow the same process that you used to take it off, but in reverse. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Lift the wiper blade arm up. To take the blade off, place it perpendicular to the arm and push. Take the new blade. To put the new ones in place, clip them into the housing. Put the wiper arm back. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.